Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video we will quickly discuss about this feature called use autofill with Copilot to suggest field values. So before we read this article, let me for example open one of the customer card. So you can see here that whenever you put your cursor into any editable fields, so you will come across this icon, right? So this looks like an AI icon, and when you click on it, it basically start working, and it will what it will do it is that it will scan the entire data, and which is already you have placed into the card itself or from the company's data perspective, and then suggest you the values so that you can have a look over it, and if you feel that it is good enough, then you can simply uh, click on tick this tick mark and it will get feed into this field. And in case you want to understand that how it managed to get this data, then you can click on this eye icon and then it can show you that how Copilot is suggesting this thing. For example, a typical credit limit for a corporate customer with ongoing sales activity and a history of timely payments is around 50,000 Australian dollars, right? So it is not something which you can say that it is always correct, but yes, depending on the fact that when uh, you are in a job where you have to create on daily basis multiple records in the system and manually only you're doing, so it will be really helpful where you just have to use this button and then it will suggest and scan and give you the options which you can keep as well, right? For example, again, one more thing is that uh, this is the customer card you can say I've created, and I've just named it as Microsoft India, right? Now if you look at this, uh, first of all, this option will come up only in the editable fields and it will not show up in the non-editable fields. Second thing is that, for example, if I put my cursor here and I'm creating a customer card for the company Microsoft India, then definitely I want to input the address of Microsoft India only, and it is very tedious if you have to do it manually, typing an address and stuff like that. So when you just click on this icon, and now you can see that it is reading the data, searching the web. What it does, it mean that it reads the data of which I already input in my card, which means that Microsoft India, and then it is using the web to search the references out of this Microsoft India. And because it is currently working on this address field, so it will consider this caption as well, that on which field I am working, and based on that fact it will suggest the values, right? So you can see here that it is suggesting me this value which could be correct, which could not be correct, right? So it is not something that you will always be feel that okay, this is always good. It will not like that. You have to verify as well, but once you verify, then you can simply check this up. And now I can click on I icon also, and you can see here that registered address for Microsoft Corporation India is this, right, in multiple authoritative access, and it is showing you the citation as well, that from where it is uh, getting this data. But for example, if I click on change and let me click on it again, maybe it will suggest the address from somewhere else. Let's see that. But before, because it suggested the address of based on New Delhi, so you can see here that it fills the other fields as well, like city, postcode, email, contact name, like this, right? And in case, for example, currently I have not enabled any field like this. So what we can do is that if you do not place if you do not click on this tick mark for every field which the scope pilot have suggested, then when you are trying to go back, for example, when you click on this, then also it will summarize every change which this feature have done and giving you the suggestions right away here. And with these two inputs, that keep selected or discard all, which means that you can select whatever you want to, and then you can simply say that okay, I accept this thing. Let me click on keep selected, and like this you can see here. Of course I'm getting this error, but this uh, we can always get corrected. I can select delete, right? So this is how it becomes too easy to make sure that everything will be auto-filled in a correct manner, and you will be more productive and you will be more faster. But the thing is that this is a base card, right? This is a base object, but we have to understand whether this will be working in the custom pages as well or not. For example, let me click on keep all. Yes, so now it is saving these two things. Now, for example, I have created one custom page as well. I'll click on autofill testing, and now you can see that this is a list page, but in this list page you will not be able to see this icon. So you cannot even if I click on edit list, so you cannot input or use that feature in the list pages even though the fields are editable. It works only in the basically card pages or the document pages only, right? So for example, let me select here, so you can see here that it is these options are showing up here. Let me click on this icon, and now since this card does not hold any such information from where it can give you any right suggestion, so you can see here it just giving me a random thing. The number field is 3, so item 3 is plausible name for this record, right? So a basic suggestion it is giving me. I can click on this to keep all, and this is how it gets insert my data. So in order to use this feature, in case this feature is not showing up for you, you can type here Copilot and go to this page, Copilot and agent capabilities. So once you come up here, you will come across this feature which is called autofill. So make sure this is active. In case this is not activated, then it will these icon will not show you up. For example, if I just deactivate the same, and of course, yeah, before I show you this one, see, this is also a boolean which you must enable, because then only this feature will get the basically this Copilot feature will only be able to search the web when you enable this feature, enable Bing search, right? If you don't enable this field, then this autofill Copilot feature will not be able to search the web, right? So this is how it will work. Now let me refresh and just show you up quickly that after I deactivated, now if I try to go back to my customer card, and now if I enable this up or open this card, then you can see here it is not giving me that Copilot icon here in any of the editable fields, right? So this is how this feature is basically works. I hope now you understand this, the use case of this feature uh, at least, and now you can explore on your own, like in order to use it in a more effective manner. That's it in today's video. I hope you like it. In case you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.